Hi, welcome to First Rate Channel. I am Annie. Are you tired of struggling with traditional knives to curve your meat or slice your bread? Do you want to make your kitchen tasks easier and faster? Today, I'd recommend you our latest product, Cordless Electric Knife. This knife is designed to make your life easier with a slimmer design and one-hand operation. It's perfect for anyone who wants comfort and convenience in their kitchen. It's a great gift for mom, grandma, dad, husband, or senior citizens. It's also special designed to help people with hand injuries or dysfunction, such as hand surgery, displaced tendon, or arthritis. The cordless electric knife is designed for safety and convenience. It has a one-touch on-off trigger and ergonomic counter grip handle that make one-hand operation possible. It also has a safety lock with a power button that prevents accidental activation. One press and it turns on in just 1 second. It's integrated with a 30-second intelligent power-off system that fully releases your hands and avoids repeated starts when you need to do other operations. You can also hand-activate the power button for a quick power off. The cordless electric knife is more powerful than most kitchen knives on the market. With 23% more torque, 30% more efficiency, and 100 more power, it has a built-in plastic gear that makes it more durable, powerful, no noise, and no vibration. The cordless electric knife is also rechargeable and cordless, with a lithium battery that provides up to 1 hour of continuous use. It's portable for indoor and outdoor use, making it perfect for kitchen use, barbecue, crafting projects, and anywhere you want to use it. The cordless electric knife is easy to clean, with a serrated stainless steel durable blade that is removable and dishwasher safe. It has a quick release button on top to remove the blade, and it's easy to insert and lock the blade with a click. The cordless electric knife also comes with a built-in LED work light that illuminates dark areas for extra security and safety. The energy indicator with green, yellow, and red lights make it super easy to check the power remaining. The cordless electric knife is versatile and can be used to cook Thanksgiving turkey, poultry, Christmas grill cutting ham, meat, roasted beef, or fish. It's also great for slicing bread, vegetables, tomatoes, pineapples, and even cutting bone for craft use. And remember, this is a patent product. So, if you want to know more tools, just subscribe our channel.